Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about the 18 Crosstrek real quick. And as the title of the video says, the car just lost both of its LED headlamps, which is not a good thing because they're pretty expensive. And basically, the car has about 90,000 miles on it now. My son has it and he drives it all the time. It's kind of his car. And about 6 weeks ago, he let me know, hey, one of the headlights is kind of going out and then it comes back on. Going out, come back on. Did a little bit of research, and supposedly if you turn off the steering adaptive headlamps, that kind of helps, but none of that really worked. It was kind of random how it was coming on and off. Then that one's kind of stayed on for about a week, and then the other side started going in and out, and then they both basically failed. So kind of did a bunch of research trying to figure out what could possibly be going on, and there are some, other than the headlamps themselves, there are some things that can be wrong with the system itself. So my son took the car in and lo and behold, both headlamps are dead. Everything else is fine. So with Subaru's LED headlamps, it's not a bulb replacement, it's a whole assembly replacement. There's no way to get in there and replace the bulb just for the headlight part. So they cost about 960 bucks. Cheapest I could find them prior to my son going in was about 800. I think it was 75 or 80 at Herberger Subaru out of Colorado. And that's a great resource if you're looking for parts for your Subaru. They usually have really good deals over there. So the initial estimate for the car with labor and everything to just change out the headlamps was, I think it was around 2,600 bucks. And I'll put the receipt up on the screen so you can take a look at it. Of course, we said no, we're not going to do that. I knew I could save the labor by, you just have to take out the front bumper. It's not that hard. I've done it before. So I was going to just buy the lamps myself, which we were looking about $1,700 or $1,800 just to buy the lamps. I guess it is possible to go to a junkyard and find the lamps. Basically, Subaru has a program that deducts a bunch of money off the price if you have to replace your headlamps. And I don't know if they realize this is happening kind of frequently, and obviously LED headlamps should last a lifetime of a vehicle. The car is an 18, so what, 8 years old, give or take a little bit. They actually ended up taking over $900 off the bill. So the final price was $1,640. Still not cheap, but we did at least save about $1,000. Not sure how I feel about the whole situation, kind of bums me out. I really like LED headlamps because they're just very nice as far as the light that they create, but I don't know if going forward it's something I'm going to choose on a vehicle. It might be nicer to just get halogen lamps and replace the bulbs, because if those go out, you can at least replace them cheaply. Pretty frustrating. I'm glad Subaru at least stepped up and helped cover the cost. If you guys have been on this channel for a long time, you know that I bought the car basically brand new. It was a new model year, new design, the Subaru's big new platform that they pushed. And the car is definitely better than the previous year Crosstreks as far as noise, and the engine's even a little better, all that good stuff. But there were a lot of growing pains that I had to deal with this car as far as recalls and that suspension issue I had, et cetera, et cetera. Overall, I still really like the car. My son loves it. He very happy to have it. But a little bit frustrating. So if you end up coming across this issue and Subaru's trying to charge you a ton of money and they don't mention the program, let them know that Subaru does have a program that will help you out. So anyway, if you have any questions about it, let me know. Hope everyone's doing well. Take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you soon.